Ever wonder how your phone or smart speaker really knows when you're frustrated, excited, or just plain tired? It's not magic. It's AI trying to decode the invisible language of emotion. But here's the thing. Most AI systems are pretty bad at picking up on the subtleties. They'll spot anger or joy, but miss the quiet ache of longing or the nervous energy of anticipation. That's where a new breakthrough comes in. Let's break down how researchers are teaching machines to really listen. The problem starts with data. Most AI models rely on real-world speech samples to learn emotions, but those datasets are limited. They're often biased, lack diversity, or miss the nuance of complex feelings. So a team of researchers built something new. EMONET-VOICE, a groundbreaking project with two key parts. First, EMONET-VOICE Big, a massive library of synthetic voices. Think of it as a digital voice studio. 4,500 hours of speech in 4 languages, generated by AI to mimic real emotional expressions. These aren't just random sounds, they're carefully crafted to simulate everything from bittersweet to contemplation. Why synthetic? Because real data is tricky. Privacy concerns, limited diversity, and inconsistent emotional depth. By creating their own, the researchers could control every detail. But here's the real genius. They didn't stop there. They paired this synthetic data with EMONET-VOICE Bench, a dataset where psychology experts labeled 12,600 audio clips with extreme precision. Instead of just saying happy or sad, they rated emotions on a 40-point scale, tracking not just what emotion someone felt, but how intense it was. It's like giving AI a detailed map of human feelings, no shortcuts. So how did this help AI get better? The team tested their datasets against top models like Gemini 2.5 Pro and GPT-4o. The results? Some models struggled with low arousal emotions, think focus, calm, or curiosity, while excelling at high-energy ones like anger or excitement. It's like how humans sometimes miss subtle cues in conversations. But when trained on EMONET-VOICE, models improved, especially at recognizing complex states like intoxication or malevolence. Here's what's next. The researchers developed their own model empathic insight voice, which outperformed existing systems. But even this advanced AI isn't perfect. Error rates still hover around 3 on a 10-point scale. Why? Because emotions are subjective. What one person hears as interest, another might call boredom. This study shows that AI isn't failing, it's reflecting the same ambiguities humans face. So what does this mean for the future? Imagine virtual assistants that don't just respond to commands, but understand your mood. Or mental health tools that detect subtle shifts in tone, offering support before a crisis. This research isn't just about smarter tech, it's about building systems that connect with us on a deeper level. But here's a wild twist. Researchers took this a step further by training 40 specialized AI models to work in parallel. Think of them as 40 emotional detectives, each obsessed with a specific feeling: joy, shame, confusion, or even sourness. Yes, that's a real emotion on their list. These models analyze a voice recording and output a number between 0 and 4, indicating the intensity of that emotion. How did they teach the AI what intensity even means? They used another AI, Gemini Flash 2, as a kind of human expert. Imagine a whisper in the ear. This clip feels like a 3.2 on the anxiety scale. But here's the twist. They tried tricking the system by shouting fear into the audio to make it tougher. Spoiler, it backfired. The original data was too delicate, and the AI got confused. So they stuck with real, natural emotions, proving that sometimes the best training is the authentic stuff. Now here's the tech magic. Each AI model starts by shrinking a massive 1.15 million feature map of the audio into something simpler, like compressing a 4K video into 1080p. Then 3 layers of neural networks, think of them as puzzle solvers, refine the data using a trick called ReLU, which keeps things from getting too messy. Finally, out pops a single number, the predicted emotion intensity. This project comes in 2 flavors. The small version is like a lightweight app, with 73 million parameters, think of these as the AI's knowledge bits, while the large version is a powerhouse with 147 million parameters. Both work in parallel, letting the AI predict all 40 emotions at once, like a 40-dimensional mood ring for your voice. But why 40 emotions? It's not random. The team built a psychology-based taxonomy, mixing basic feelings like anger with complex ones like embarrassment or doubt, plus quirky picks like sourness and helplessness. After all, human emotions are weird, wonderful, and way more nuanced than a simple happy or sad. So what's the takeaway? This isn't just about detecting feelings. It's about building AI that understands the messy, beautiful complexity of human expression. And who knows? Maybe one day your phone will not just hear your voice, but feel what you're going through.